Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about while loops in C# and why they are so important, specifically if you are interested in game development. I'm going to show you what problem while loops actually solve, what happens if you don't use them, and how they are used with real examples including booleans and game logic. We'll also talk about infinite loops, why they happen, and how to avoid them. So, if you be ever been confused about while loops or you want to understand them the right way, stay until the end of the video. Before we talk about while loops, let's first understand the problem they solve. Imagine you are making a game and you want to ask the player for their name. If the player doesn't type anything, you want to ask again without a while loop. This is very annoying to do. For example, this code. Evaluate Alex. Hello Alex. If the string is empty, nothing. This works, but only one time. If the player presses enter again without typing anything, the program should continue to really solve this problem within repetition. And this is where while loops come in. And you wondering what is a while loop? A while loop repeats a block of code while a condition is true. You can think about it like it is. While this condition is true, keep doing this. The loop only stops when the condition becomes false. If the condition never becomes false, the loop never ends. I start writing a string player name equal empty string while open parentheses player name equal empty string. Console write line enter your player name. Player name equal console read line below write console write line welcome plus player name Alex. Welcome Alex. Here what's happening at the beginning. Player name is empty, the condition is true, so the loop runs. Nothing, 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 nothing. As soon as the player types something, the condition becomes false and the loop stops. For example, like it is. Welcome, Alex. This is exactly what we want. Now, Let's look at more game-like example used in a boolean. Booleans are very common in game development. I start writing bool game running equal to while game running write console write line write game is running. Hello, I write the same console write line press F to quit and string input equal console read line. Write if input equal F game is running false and how it works. In this example, the game keeps running while game running is true. When the player releases F, we change the boolean to false and the loop ends. I press F, the program ends. And finally, the last example. Now, let's talk about something very important: infinite loops. An infinite loop happens when the condition is always true. For example, while true, console write line infinite loop. This loop will never end. Your program will freeze, crash, or use 100% CPU. Infinite loops are not always bad, but if you don't control them correctly, they are a big problem. The most important rule is this: a while loop must have a way to become false. If not, your program will never stop running. And I see you in the next one. Peace.